Yesterday, guys, we were selling yes. We hit both of our targets and the second target as well, which the AI mentioned. So I had only one target, the AI had two targets, and the AI was much successful than me. So the AI is getting better, guys. I'm afraid I will lose my job soon. Actually, I'm not afraid, I'm happy. It will make trading a lot more easier because emotions can kill us, guys. So, okay, guys, so what is happening? Why am I at the 5 minute charts? Because, guys, on the 4H, we have massive move but no structure. On the 1H, guys, massive move but no structure. On the 15 minute, guys, massive move but no structure. So we cannot trade the price, uh, place a trade based on my gut feeling or something that I feel like will happen. I need a technical chart logic to place my trade. So when I dropped on the 5H, guys, I have a feeling, guys, we going in for a correction. And guys, I think as long as the price is able to stay above 1.32658, guys, we are bullish. And again, in my opinion, guys, I think we will be seeing 1.32958. After that, guys, we could also go for 1.33187. And guys, if the price breaks below 1.326858, guys, I think we will be continuing the bearish trend. And my target, guys, would be obviously this is a major support area, guys. Okay. So, okay, what I'm going to do, my bad, I'm going to go back to the 5 minute as well. So, guys, to become truly bearish, we need to truly continue the bearish trend. We need to break below 1.32553. Okay, guys, and for that, guys, I'll just jump back to the 1H. I just hide this indicator. It's annoying me. So now, okay, so what will be my bearish target? Yeah, let's go with this. No, it's not enough, I guess. No, it's not enough. That is the problem, guys. It's not enough. If if the price breaks below, guys, let's jump back to the 5 minute. 1.32553, guys. We will be going for 1.32265. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Let me do my AI analysis as well. Sorry about that, guys. So basically, the AI does high time frame analysis. It can do low time frame analysis, but I have to add multi time frame support, meaning I have to add three time frame supports to it. So over the weekend, I will be working on its code. I haven't got time to work on it so far, you guys. I've just been working on and the indicator itself. I made a change today. I was very happy about it, but once I just implemented it, it stopped working. So there is an issue, guys, with that. So the work keeps on happening. So okay, guys, let's give it the charts. Execute. So this is my own analysis. Let's see what the AI does. For today, I'm dropping down to the 5 minute, guys. So guys, the analysis is done. It's bearish, obviously. So these are its targets. Let me copy this to the chart. It says as long as we are below 1.3307, guys, we are bearish. Okay, I can get that. I can agree with this, guys. It's probably using this as a reference point, and its target one is 1.3257, and the second target is 1.3215. 3257. Okay, 3215. Okay, guys, 32. Okay, it has a much bigger target. So it is selling this. I could also agree with it. So that's why we have this zone. Because on the higher time frames, guys, we are bearish. To actually continue with the trend, guys, we need some bearish price action on the 5 minutes so we can continue with the trend once again. And once we do that, guys, we can obviously place a stop loss here. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.